How to use Capital One virtual card in store. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Capital One virtual card in store. Virtual cards are a great way to shop securely without exposing your actual credit card information, so let's get started. First, it's important to know that a Capital One virtual card is essentially a temporary credit card number linked to your existing credit card. So this means you can use it for online purchases and in-store transactions through contactless payment methods like Apple Pay or Google Pay. To get started, log into your Capital One account, either through the website or the mobile application. Navigate to the section that offers virtual card options and create a virtual card. You'll be assigned a unique card number, expiration date, and a CVV code. Next, you'll want to add your virtual card to a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. So open the mobile wallet app and tap on Add Card and enter the details of your virtual card. Once added, you can start using it in stores that accept contactless payments. When you're ready to make a purchase in store, simply unlock your phone and hold it to the nearest contactless payment terminal. Your virtual card will automatically be used to complete the transaction. Make sure to confirm the payment on your phone. After your purchase, you can track your transactions through the Capital One application or website. This helps you keep an eye on your spending and ensure everything looks correct. And that's how you use your Capital One virtual card in store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.